Every few years, the filmphotographystore.com will release something that's kind of unique, different, unusual. This January 2024, in the tradition of 1970s Kodak camera outfits, we've put together a brand new outfit. So here it is, Kodak Instamatic X-15F in its original box with its 2024 contents. Let's check it out. Whoa, holy smokes. Vintage sticker, vintage Kodak button. We have the X-15F camera, which we did a separate video how to use that. Comes with a flip flash. You get 8 flashes. You shoot one side. When you finish with those 4, you flip it, shoot the other side. If you need more flashes, you can buy them on ebay.com or filmphotographystore.com. And film-wise, you get the very special Fakmatic adapter that allows you to use 35mm film in your Kodak Instamatic because 126 film is no longer made. And this Fakmatic adapter has a QR code. A video within a video. Wow, weird. So that'll tell you how to use and how to load the Fakmatic. So, you know, you're all set. Got the camera, the adapter to use 35mm film, the flash, the vintage sticker, the vintage button. Special, limited. So when they're gone, they're gone. It's exciting.
Is it?
Yes. Yes, I've been 126 crazy.